boom, meal prepping is done for the week. Yay! I do wish one of y'all would have texted me and reminded me that there's only 4 days I have to work this week. So I just meal prep for 5 days for fun. I guess I'll have food for Saturday. Anywho, I had a kale juice left over from last week, and then the rest of the juices are zucchini, strawberry, peaches, pineapples, agave, and then my apple cider vinegar tea for each day, blueberry oatmeal for each day for breakfast, pasta for lunch, and it has spinach, onions, mushrooms, apple slices each day for my snack. And then dinner this week is going to be burgers. So I'm going to do like a different play on burgers each day. Like one day will be a pizza burger with pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese. And then one day it will be a standard burger, avocado for my mayo, tomato slices, kale from my garden, and tater puffs or tater tots, whatever you want to call them. And I'll just saute a different veggie each night, like maybe spinach, zucchini, something, asparagus, something on the side for my vegetable. But these are my famous steam burgers. They're so good. Oh, and then one day I'll do like just straight, do I have any left? Yes. Barbecue sauce on a burger, just so it's not like a standard ketchup mustard burger every day. I'm going to play on different versions of a burger each day.